A shocking report regarding the South Indian industry has recently come forward. Well, if the reports are to be believed, then some of the South Indian celebs are under the scanner of Enforcement Directorate. Enforcement Directorate has been looking into a 4-year-old drug case currently. And during the investigation of the case, names of some prominent personalities from the industries has come forward. As per the reports, Enforcement Directorate has summoned all the celebs whose name has cropped up recently. If the reports are to be believed, then stars like Rana Daggubati, Rakul Preet Singh, Charmi Kaur got summoned by the Enforcement Directorate. The reports are suggesting that Enforcement Directorate has been looking into the 2017 money laundering case, which also includes drug case. Popular Bollywood and South Indian actress Rakul Preet Singh has been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate on 6th of September. Before this, Rakul Preet Singh also got summoned by the NCP during the investigation of drug case in Bollywood. Rana Daggubati got summoned by the Enforcement Directorate on 8th of September for questioning. Popular South Indian actor Ravi Teja too got summoned by the Enforcement Directorate for questioning purpose. The producer and director of Liger, Charmi Kaur and Puri Jagannath got summoned by the government agency too. It got reported that these celebrities are summoned by the ED as witnesses in the 2017 case. It is reported that the team has a list of 62 suspects, including celebrities, having involvement in this case. As of now, reports suggest that no charge sheet have been filed yet against any celebrity. Rafael Alex Victor was arrested in 2017 for allegedly supplying drugs from Mumbai to Hyderabad. The arrested person has named 62 suspects, which includes names of Tollywood celebs too, and this is why stars are getting summoned now.